Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to enable two-step authentication in your Yahoo Mail account. Let's have a look how to do this. First of all, go to any browser and log into your Yahoo account. Click on the account name. Select account info from the menu that appears. Click on account security from the left panel. Scroll down. You can see the option two-step verification, which is disabled. Click here to enable it. You will be prompted to enter a mobile number. Once you have entered it, choose between send SMS or call me to receive an authentication code. Click on send SMS button. After that, you should immediately receive a text with the verification code. Type the code received into the dialog box that appeared on screen. Click Verify. If the numbers match, you will receive a success dialog with options to create app passwords for apps that don't recognize or use two-step authentication. You can choose Skip for now if you would like to skip that process for the moment. Click on Skip for now. You have successfully enabled the two-step verification. From now on, whenever you want to try to log into the account, a verification code will be needed every time. So that is how you can enable two-step authentication in your Yahoo Mail account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.